How to clear and start over TurboTax. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to clear and start over in TurboTax. So for that case, first thing, this option allows you to delete all the information you've entered so far in your tax return and start over from scratch. And this option also lets you begin a complete new tax return separate from any existing return you may have started. So here's how you can do it. First of all, you have to log in into your TurboTax account. When you're logged in, you can go ahead and navigate to the section of TurboTax where you're working on your tax return. Then you can go and look for an option or menu that allows you to clear or delete your return. This option is typically found in the settings or tools section. Then you can just go ahead and follow the prompt to confirm that you want to clear your return, and beware that this action cannot be undone and all the information you've entered will be permanently deleted. After that, you can go ahead and start a new return and log in into your TurboTax account, and then you can navigate your TurboTax dashboard or homepage and look for an options or button that allow you to start a new return or create a new TurboTax. Follow the prompt to select the appropriate tax year and tax situation for your new return. Now begin entering your information from the very new return from scratch. So that's basically how you can clear and start over TurboTax. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.